Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're on the 5.7 Hemi Dodge Ram 1500 today, in 2006, and we're doing a thermostat. So the reason we're doing a thermostat is because we've got codes P0128 and P2128. Now that means that the engine is running cold and the engine's running really cold. That's the way that those two codes work. Now the reason why is because over the past couple of months or so we've done a few different things, like we've changed some belts, we've changed some tensioners, we've changed some pulleys, we've changed the water pump, all that sort of stuff, and now we think that the only weak link in the system is the thermostat, and that's why it's running cold, because the spring isn't behaving itself. So the spring's gotten loose, so we're going to replace it with a new one where the spring is actually quite stiff. So yeah, let's whip that out, put the new one in, get it warmed up and see what happens. Okay, so the way that we do this then, top hose the radiator, follow that down to this Jubilee clip down here. Once we've done that, if I not knock the light off, there is just there where my finger is, there's one there and a nut underneath as well. There's two bolts, I believe they're 13, they come out and the whole radiator and the whole housing comes out and you can change out for the new one. So let's go do that. Okay, so we've got the new one here, nice tight springs and looks good and all that, and this is the old one. You can tell it's done a few miles. The spring is a bit worse for wear, it's all gummed up inside and things, so yeah, we're thinking that might be the cause of the problem. So what we'll do, pop the new one in, we'll get everything up and running up to temperature and we'll check for the codes. Okay, so now that we've changed the thermostat in the housing, we've put everything back on, the O-ring was fine, so that's great, happy days. We're going to top up the coolant system. We're going to start it up, we're going to check for any leaks in and around this area where we've disturbed the system, and if there's no leaks, we'll run it until it gets up to temperature, and then we will have a look, see what codes are available.
11 minutes later.
Okay, so the engine has been running for a little while now. There's no leaks or anything like that around this sort of area, so happy days. As you can see there, the cooling fan is running, so we're definitely up to temperature. Everything is good. So we've had a quick look at the codes as well, and as we were expecting, no codes anymore. So the engine management light has gone off, everyone is happy. So that's everything done on that one then. We changed the thermostat, it's up to temperature, happy days. It's a nice and easy job. I believe it went down to 20 foot-pounds, I think it was, which I will put newton meters on screen for those who aren't measuring in freedom units. Yeah, everything's happy with the truck. All the engine management lights gone off, there's no codes. Muy bueno. But you know what to do then. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that usual YouTubey good stuff. All praise the algorithm. Remember to go and visit all my channel sponsors. So we got TSA Motorsport, mainly for the 1KRs, not really relevant to this vehicle. We've got Blossom Automotive. We've got Form 7 Performance. They've got a discount code on screen as well. We've got X8R, long-time sponsor of ours. Again, discount code on screen. And we've got Mishimoto. I do need to get in contact with Mishimoto about this truck because we need a transmission cooler. So until then, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Like I said, if you want to, you can buy me a coffee. Links down in the description. And remember to subscribe. So ring the bell, get notified next time I drop a video, and I'll see you then.